Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see SSD. So in this SSD, what we are mainly we are going to see what is it inside, and they provide two ring. These are the two slots which we can put the screws to hold the SSD, and this gold frame. There is many companies of SSDs available, and at present I have this one, and we'll see what is inside and what are the things inside. We will see. For that, this only the small locks, just at each corner I provide. I use a small knife to open this one, and it's very simple to open, not like other hard disk, many screws and everything. That's just a small lock, all the four corner, no, three corners. There is no any screws. It's very simple to open, and this is 256 GB. Only this is inside, and the balance spaces are empty. And when we consider to the normal hard disk, this is very simple, weightless, and you can see that storage. It's a four chip they provided, and backside is nothing, only front side they provide some ICs and everything. And that's why this hard disk is running with a good speed and everything. You can see this chip, it's written something 1982 or something there, and the four memory chips are like Toshiba. It's written like Toshiba there, four chips there, and the quality one, this one, and something they are provided over some small diodes and everything, and they designed very small. Again, now it's coming getting small now, this SSD, now NVM M.2, like these models. Before it was using like in the Apples, now it came for normal this computer also. And in this SSD, we are not getting any, most of them it's not getting any damages or corrupting that cylinder means, in normal hard disk we have around data storing cylinders. It's getting some damages while the head is reading time, and if it's fell down. But this in that case, if we consider this one, it's very good one, will not get any damages, and it's very to use and lightweight. And these are only the things which is available inside the SSD. And thank you for watching. If you like the video, subscribe and support. Bye bye, see you.